on the 1st of May, back in 1800 and something. And till that time, they brought in their language, the Samoan language. So now we from Ifira and Mele village, we speak the Whakaifira and Whakaimere. So we speak Polynesian. So out from the 120 languages in Vanuatu, 4 islands in Vanuatu, we speak Polynesians. So the Polynesian language came to our island because of the Samoan. They bring it over. But also not only Samoans, there's also a history in regards to 2 sisters from Tuvalu, that they were the daughters of one of the high chief of Tuvalu centuries ago, and they drifted in a canoe to New Hebrides, and one landed on the island, which is Fila. It used to be Fila Island, but because of the after independence we call it Ifira, and the other one landed at Imere, which is Mele. So that's a bit of the story in regards to our languages and connections.
Can you give us an example of some of the similar words?
Okay, yeah. Okay, this is Mata, all right. This is Ngutu, Nifo is our teeth, and Ringa, and Roru. This is Roru for us, and how do you say that? Rima. We say Irunga, and we say Iraro, and we say Iroto, and we say Fafo, we say Itua. So these are the things, and we say Fafetai. If I say I'm hungry, I'll feakai. If I want to go to how do you say that? To the toilets, I'll mimi, I'll chico, you know, all this stuff. And yeah, so these are the thing that we're happy that if we are Melanesians, but we speak Polynesians. Yes.
Fafetai.
Fafetai, yes.